Hello everyone! In today's video I will be sharing this painting I completed in gouache. Today's painting is being done in my new sketchbook. I love to draw and paint in sketchbooks but never seem to finish one. But I've been enjoying playing in my sketchbook again recently as a bit of weekend relaxation. This was my first time painting in gouache and it was really fun, and it didn't take long at all. I finished this painting in about 2 hours, making gouache perfect for weekend sketchbook adventures. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more painting and drawing videos, consider subscribing. You can also find me on Instagram at Natalie Fine Art, or visit my website. Both the links will be in the description below.